Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Do You Know English? It's so good to have you here again. Last time, we traveled back in time, remember? We talked about the past simple of to be, was, and were.
Oh, yes, I was late. You were early. And I was definitely confused at first.
You did great, Jake. And now, let's move to the future.
The future? Oh, that sounds dramatic. Do I need a time machine?
Not today, just your English notebook. Because today, we'll talk about future simple with action verbs.
Action verbs? You mean verbs that move?
Exactly. Verbs that show what we do. Work, play, cook, read, study, dance, all those things that make life busy and fun.
Sounds like my to-do list.
All right. And before we jump in, if you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to subscribe so you can keep improving your English with a smile.
Right, hit that button, grab your coffee, and let's go to the future.
Okay, friends, the future simple is one of the easiest tenses in English. We use it when we talk about something that will happen, not now, not in the past, but in the future.
Like, tomorrow I'll eat pizza.
Exactly. The structure is simple. Subject plus will plus base verb.
Subject plus will plus verb. Easy.
You got it. And here's something wonderful. Will is the same for all subjects.
Wait, no changes? No he wills, she wills?
No. English is kind to you this time. Listen carefully. Will never changes. I will, you will, he will, she will, it will, we will, they will.
Oh, I love this. Finally, one rule for everyone.
Yes, simple and beautiful. Now let's add an example so it's clear. I'll use one same example for all forms. It helps you see the pattern easily.
Love that. Same example equals easier brain.
That's the goal. Okay, listen. I will work tomorrow. You will work tomorrow. He will work tomorrow. She will work tomorrow. It will work tomorrow. We will work tomorrow. And they will work tomorrow.
I will work tomorrow. You will work tomorrow. Everyone will work tomorrow. Oh no, that sounds sad.
Don't worry, Jake. It's just grammar work today.
Oh, good. Grammar is easier than real work.
All right. Okay, Jake, now a few examples about the future.
I will study English tonight. I will call Tom after dinner.
You will finish the homework tomorrow. You will feel confident in class.
He will start a new book on Monday. He will visit his grandma this weekend.
She will cook pasta tonight. She will send the email in the morning.
They will play football on Saturday. They will travel to Spain next summer.
We will practice speaking every day.
It will rain tomorrow.
Perfect. Now give me 3 sentences about your near future.
I will wake up early tomorrow. I'll make pancakes for breakfast. I will message Lucy about the video.
Excellent! Last bit. Quick, repeat after me.
Let's do it.
I will start now.
I will start now.
You will learn fast.
You will learn fast.
He will call me later.
He will call me later.
She will arrive on time.
She will arrive on time.
It will work.
It will work.
We will practice more.
We will practice more.
They will join us tomorrow.
They will join us tomorrow.
Beautiful. Now, one more small note. In real speech, we often use short forms. I will becomes I'll. You will becomes you'll. He will becomes he'll. She will becomes she'll. It will becomes it'll. We will becomes we'll. They will becomes they'll.
I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, it'll, we'll, they'll. Sounds like a tongue twister.
Yes, it does, but you'll get used to it quickly. All right, let's practice. Short sentences. I'll work on Monday. You'll work on Monday. He'll work on Monday. She'll work on Monday. It'll work on Monday. We'll work on Monday. They'll work on Monday.
Perfect rhythm, teacher.
All right. Remember, it doesn't matter. You can say I will, you will, she will, he will, we will, they will. And it doesn't have to be in the short form. Say it however you want and however you feel comfortable.
I agree. Okay.
Now, let's move to the negative form when something will not happen.
Uh-oh, the negative energy is back.
Don't worry. Still positive vibes. To make a negative, we use will not or won't.
So will not is the full form and won't is the short one?
Exactly. For example, I will not call tomorrow. You will not call tomorrow. He will not call tomorrow. She will not call tomorrow. It will not call tomorrow. We will not call tomorrow. They will not call tomorrow.
I will not call tomorrow.
Yes, it sounds like a robot. That's why, friends, we usually say won't. It's shorter and sounds natural. I won't call tomorrow. You won't call tomorrow. He won't call tomorrow. She won't call tomorrow. It won't call tomorrow. We won't call tomorrow. They won't call tomorrow.
Oh, much better. Won't is friendly. My robot heart approves.
Perfect. So remember, we use won't in daily life, but both will not and won't are correct. Let's practice. Give me some examples in your own words.
Sure. I will not forget my homework tomorrow. You will not be late for the meeting. He will not watch TV tonight. She will not skip her English practice. I hope it won't rain tomorrow. We will not cancel our plans. They will not travel this weekend.
Nice and clear. Now use the short form, won't. Give me more examples, same idea.
Got it. I won't stay up late. I won't forget to call you. You won't need a taxi. You won't miss the bus. He won't play games tonight. He won't come tomorrow. She won't change her plan. She won't cook on Sunday. It won't rain in the morning. It won't take long. We won't argue about it. They won't start soon. They won't buy snacks today.
Excellent, Jake. Full forms and contractions, both strong. That's exactly how we sound natural in conversation.
My future mistakes won't survive this lesson.
I love that. Great work with negatives. Let's move on to questions with will, very useful for plans and quick decisions. To make a question in future simple, we start with will. The structure is will plus subject plus base verb. For example, will I listen tomorrow? Will you listen tomorrow? Will he listen tomorrow? Will she listen tomorrow? Will it listen tomorrow? Will we listen tomorrow? Will they listen tomorrow?
So easy. Just move will to the front.
Exactly. And short answers are simple too. Yes, I will. No, I won't.
Oh, I love short answers. Less talking, more coffee.
You and your coffee. Let's practice together. Will you listen to the new song tomorrow?
Yes, I will. And maybe dance, too.
Will Tom listen to the teacher?
Probably not. No, he won't.
Will Penny listen to her mom?
Yes, she will. Penny's always good.
Will it rain tomorrow?
I hope it won't. I'll be at the park.
Great! And remember, we always use the base form after will. Now, let's make it fun. Jake, time for your mini test.
Oh no, the famous test. Okay, I'm ready. Maybe.
I'll say a sentence. You decide if it's right or wrong. She will to call tomorrow.
Wrong. No to. It should be, she will call tomorrow.
Good catch. Next. They won't plays football.
Wrong again. They won't play football.
Perfect. One more. He'll works tomorrow.
Also wrong. He'll work tomorrow.
Excellent. You passed with flying colors.
Grammar Man saves the day again.
You're getting famous. Okay, friends, let's review everything together. Future simple is formed with will plus base verb. Positive. I will work. You will work. He will work. Negative. I will not call. You won't call. He won't call. Questions. Will I listen? Will you listen? Will he listen?
I'll work. I won't call. Will I listen? Got it.
Perfect. You're future ready now. Friends, you did amazing today. You learned how to talk about your plans, your hopes, and your future.
Yes, you will speak English confidently and you'll sound great.
Exactly. And now it's your turn. Write 3 short sentences in the comments. 1 positive, 1 negative, and 1 question with will.
For example, I'll study tomorrow. I won't watch TV. Will you call me?
Perfect example.
Or, I'll drink coffee. I won't sleep. Will I survive?
Oh, Jake, you and your coffee jokes again.
Some things never change.
Thank you, friends, for learning with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing.
You're awesome. See you in the next episode.
Take care, stay positive, and remember, your future will be bright with English.
Bye-bye, everyone.